Today we're going to be taking a look at the LLAMA ESPECIAL pistol chambered in .22 long rifle. Whoa. Okay, so this is the LLAMA ESPECIAL pistol chambered in .22 long rifle. This is my 83-year-old grandfather's first pistol, and he was gracious enough to let us look at it today. He purchased this pistol back in the late 50s, early 60s. As a child, he liked to look at the Dick Tracy comic strip in the paper when he could get his hands on one. He really admired Dick Tracy's Colt M1911, and so when he got a little bit older, he scraped enough money together and realized that he still couldn't afford a 1911. So he got the second best thing. Now this is a model exactly of a 1911. And now you got to remember, back in the late 50s, early 60s, the wages were very low. His starting pay at the Railway Motors working for the railroad company was $2.50. Now when he first picked this pistol up, it only came with one factory magazine. And that can kind of be a pain in the butt in later years trying to find magazines for these early pistols. And so we went to all sorts of websites to try to find a magazine. We just could not find a magazine for a LLAMA ESPECIAL. So we went to KK.com, KK Manufacturing Corporation. They make holsters and custom magazines. And now they didn't have a magazine for the LLAMA ESPECIAL. They had a magazine for the LLAMA XV 22 long rifle. So we picked that up, and being the engineering mastermind my grandfather is, he modified this magazine from KK to fit in this gun. And it matches exactly, and it runs great. So we're going to load her up and have some fun. I got a steel plate set up at about 13 yards, 9 inches in diameter. We're going to be running 36 grain Remington Golden Bullet hollow points. I love these older pistols. They're built just so well. And the model and the field strip even is just like a 1911. And my grandfather is the one that taught me how to shoot. Did pretty good there. Man, this thing just runs like a sewing machine, and it's just beautiful. Here's a couple close-up shots of it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.
They're not eating them by the tree, I don't think, where they're picking them up. I watched one gray squirrel the other morning. He come in and took one and went to the west, away from the building site. I didn't get to see where he went, but
Yeah.